Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and welcome back to another episode in Rust, with me Blusky here. So, I was thinking about doing a solo survival series on the channel, I don't know, but we'll start off with the first episode here. So right now I'm collecting some stone here from this node. I need to craft some tools and maybe some other stuff to survive. Okay, we're gonna start with the hatchet there. So, as you can see, I'm already in level 9. It's because I was playing with some other friends and I had leveled up a little quick there. So I can craft shadows and stuff like that, and codex, so, and bows as well, so it will make it a little bit easier to get the base up in time. And of course I'm already starving. Okay, I can't find any animals here, so I think I need to get down to Red Town or Satellites to get some food. Hopefully, and hopefully not die. Man, there's so many bases around here. If I like just build a little one, it would be get raided in like 2 seconds after I'm done with it. Holy shit. Pam, smoke weed every day. The bow, some arrows. Perfect. Oh, barrel, please be some food in it, please. Come on, I need food, seriously. Empty! Of course it was going to be empty. Fuck off, game. Oh yeah. I didn't mean it, game. You're the best game ever. There we go. Get that up. The water. Okay, now we need to be. Now we're good for now on. Like, I mean, I could craft some pants and stuff, but if I wear them and other people see me, they will think like, oh shit, that guy may have some good shit on him. So I don't really want to draw any attention right now. I just want to look like a fresh bone with literally nothing. So I don't really know how the base is going to look like. I think I'm just gonna do a basic circle base, because I'm not really good at base designs. Like, normally I'm just doing this really basic, like 4 foundations, then just build up like a mushroom. Like to the end the whole base looks like a mushroom. Looks very funny. Oh yeah, level 10 as well. Nice. No. He fell through the fucking map. Oh no. Oh man. Oh. Wait. Are they trying to get through the base? Oh, I think they are. So is this like a little raid going on here? Oh shit. I don't know what to have, I don't... Yep. So guys, how's it going? Okay, I'm not good with the bow right now, I've been playing a lot of CSGO, so can be very annoying. I hit him. Yeah, I told you guys, this is not gonna end well. Guess I told you, I'm very nervous and I'm not good at all. Really bad if I commit myself. Man, I'm running like a coward. Yeah, yes, I said I've been playing a lot of CSGO, so my aim in Rust can be pretty bad. Oh yes, come here. Yes, come closer. Yeah. Okay, there we go. It's not that many bases. As I can see, I need to get this there faster, because I think the other guys is still coming. Like they were like punching at this like wall. I thought they were like mining and shit, but then I realized they were like raiding the little base there. Otherwise, yes, maybe they were like taking down a wall they've been placing wrong, and I don't know. There we go. Okay, on this side there's like a hell of a lot of more animals, and that's perfect. That's exactly what I need right now. So I will, if I get the base up, it wouldn't be that hard to get the furnace up as well. So I'm just gonna make like a little starter base, and then we can build a big base. Okay, it's gonna place the bed around the corner here. In a bush, so people won't see it and like destroy it. They just be scumbags. There we go. Perfect. Okay, I have to commit that I got a pretty good start here. Get my campfire, get this little abandoned base here. Get the stuff to craft a new base. Build a new base. This crack, of course. Okay, let's craft the basics. That one and the hammer. As you can see right now, I got the base up here. It's very dark now. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, I just got up the metal chateau here with the cold lock. And this is like a little worker base right now, like starter base. I'm gonna build a big one. Well, we ran out of wood, but I'm gonna fix that in the morning, get more wood and upgrade the base to full stone. So catch you later. Oh, fuck. Sorry pal, had to do it. I really needed resources. Oh man, what an amazing shot. Headshot him through the bush. Okay, now it's more clear here. Now you can see the base here. Right now I'm upgrading it. I want it to be fully stone when I leave. So it doesn't comes a guy I don't know with a flamethrower and burns it down. So it looks pretty good right now. It's full upgrade to stone, metal shed door. So I'm just gonna make some more doors in there because they're easy, very easy to destroy with these new explosions. Such a charge, or what are they called? It's got the McDonald's. Oh man, or I want one of these cheeseburgers, and it's open and everything. Hey bro, I want to eat at McDonald's. I want McDonald's, okay? What are you, fucking stupid? Jesus. So this was the guy that was shooting all over the place. Okay, I'm gonna run. I'm running. Lone and dangerous. But I don't know what the hell his friend was thinking there. Like, he just went to revive him. Like, man, it takes 6 seconds now to revive people. Like, I don't think you have the time when I'm aiming at you with a bow. But he probably panicked. Like, I have also done that. I also done the same mistake. But you know, it's Rust. Okay, welcome back. Okay, I'm finally done with the base. Everything is full upgraded to stone. Got my airlock here, 2 metal chateaus with cool looks. And I got my 2 chests here, and I got my furnace going. I was actually thinking about having these up here, the shelves, but it didn't work. Like, I was just about to place it here, and it said not enough space. Like, it wasn't red, you know when it's like red and you can't place it. It was like complete blue. And I couldn't place it. It said not enough space. At first I thought it was that, but I guess you can see it was more space, and it was not even like pointing into it. So I don't know what the fuck that was. Maybe I bugged something, I have no idea. But I don't know that it didn't fucking work. But I got my furnace going here, as I said. And I will probably build my base very soon. Probably in another episode, because I need to get resources. So I think I'm gonna get out and collect some resources, and see you later. Not so tough now, ain't ya? Where did the fucker go? He took my stuff. Fucking hell, the fucking fresh boy should have killed him. Lucky bastard. Oh, sweet one.